All right, next video, we're gonna put together a damn sign exercise bike. Okay, next we'll assemble the handlebars. Okay, next we're gonna put the seat on. Next will be the pedals. You got the left side and the right side. And oh look, it's labeled right side because I was about to be confused. Now for the left pedal. Okay, now install a cup holder, bottle holder, water bottle, cup holder. Here's the reason why I was missing another cord. This one I'm positive. Pulse is the double wires. Speed is the single wire. Okay. Well, adjust this, tighten up the seat before you get on this thing. I almost fail. And I'm all finished, and I got this one piece left. Figures, right? Everything looks like it's in order. And guess what? Everything is in order. This is for packing only. Don't let this throw you off. I almost took the entire bike apart because of that.